Should everything be split 50-50 in a relationship? A modern woman's perspective. The question of whether everything should be split 50-50 in a relationship is a matter of personal values, priorities, and the dynamics of the specific relationship. There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, and different couples may have different arrangements that work for them. It's important to consider various factors and communicate openly to find a balance that suits both partners. Here's a modern woman's perspective on this topic. Equality and fairness. Many people, including modern women, value equality and fairness in a relationship. Splitting expenses, responsibilities, and decision-making 50-50 can be seen as a way to ensure that both partners contribute equally and share the burden of maintaining the relationship. Financial independence. Many modern women prioritize financial independence and may choose to split expenses to maintain their financial autonomy. This approach can help women maintain control over their finances and not become financially dependent on their partner. Flexibility. While some couples prefer a strict 50-50 split, others find flexibility in their arrangements. They may divide responsibilities and expenses based on individual strengths, financial situations, or personal preferences. Open communication. Successful relationships are built on open communication. Modern women often value discussions about financial expectations, division of labor, and other aspects of the relationship to ensure both partners are comfortable with the arrangement. Shared values. Shared values and priorities are essential in determining how responsibilities and expenses should be divided. Couples often align their arrangements with their shared values and goals. Individual circumstances. The division of responsibilities and expenses can vary depending on individual circumstances, such as income disparities, career aspirations, and family roles. Fair compromise. Many couples find that a fair compromise is more important than a strict 50-50 split. They may take into account each partner's strengths and weaknesses, making adjustments to ensure that the relationship functions smoothly. In summary, there is no one-size-fits-all answer to whether everything should be split 50-50 in a relationship. It's essential for couples to have open, respectful discussions about their values, priorities, and individual circumstances to find an arrangement that works for both partners and supports the overall health of the relationship. What's most important is that the arrangement is mutually agreed upon and leads to a balanced and harmonious partnership.